Assalamu alaikum, guys. First, let me give you a quick demo. Welcome back to IntelliAgentDev. Today, we're going to build an Instagram lead generation automation using n8n. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, click on Create Workflow and let's rename it to keep things organized. For our first step, add an on-form submission trigger. Set the form title to Instagram Lead Generator Setup and add a quick description. Next, we need two form elements. Click Add Form Element and set the first label as Target Industry. Add another one and label it City. Now, let's test it. Click Execute. Fill out the form with dentists for the industry and New York for the city and hit Submit. Great, we have our test data. Click the three dots on the form node and pin the output so we can use it to build the rest of the workflow. Next, click the plus button and add an HTTP request node. Change the method from GET to POST. Now, head over to your browser and log into your Appify console. Go to the Appify store and select the Google Search Result Scraper actor. Click on API, choose API endpoints, and copy the Run Actor synchronously URL. Paste this URL. Turn on Send Body, switch the body type to JSON, and paste the complete JSON payload from Apify. Inside the JSON payload, locate the query field. Remove the default text inside the double quotes. This is a very important step, so make sure you follow exactly what I'm doing. This will make everything much easier. We are going to replace it with a dynamic expression to search Instagram. Map the expression so it looks exactly like this. Site:instagram.com followed by your target industry expression, a space, and your city name expression. Once that's set, click Execute. Perfect. We just pulled the Instagram account details for dentists in New York. Now, this raw data is completely unstructured. Let's fix that. Add a code node and copy the raw input. Open Claude AI paste the data, and ask it to write a JavaScript code that structures this unorganized input into clean JSON objects. Copy the generated code, paste it back into your n8n code node, and run it. If you get an error, don't worry. That's part of the process. Copy the error details, head back to Claude, and ask it to debug the code. Paste the updated code back into n8n and execute it again. Awesome! Now we have perfectly structured data. The final step is saving this valuable data. Create a new Google Sheet with columns for position, title, URL, description, and followers. Back in n8n, click the plus button, search for the Google Sheets node, and select Append Row. Choose your newly created spreadsheet and select Sheet 1. Now, map the data fields from our structured code node into the correct sheet columns using expressions. Let's test the entire system. Click Execute Workflow and fill out the form one more time. Look at that! The workflow is running flawlessly, and all the details, position, title, URL, description, and follow accounts, are automatically saving into our Google Sheet. You now have a fully automated lead generation machine. That's it for this video. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like and subscribe if you think I've earned it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.